birthday mo raw.
Greetings!
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday po.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday.
Maligayang bati, maligayang bati, maligayang bati. Happy birthday, Tita Day! We love you!
Happy birthday to the best sister ever. And wish ko kaya ka good health parati. And sana before end of this year, ing matupad dyan ing number 1 pangarap mo king kaya kang pamilya. God bless you and enjoy your celebration. We love you and miss you, Mama.
Birthday, Ate Daisy! Wish namin sa iyo sana bigyan ka pa ni Lord ng mahabang buhay, more blessings in life, good health, at sana maging masaya ka sa iyong birthday.
Happy birthday, Ate Daisy. Wish me kaya ka sana lagi kang healthy at dakal pang blessing datang kaya ka. Kaya kaya ko rin kakong pamilya babadi kaya ka. Happy birthday!
Happy 50th birthday, ga! English ni kaya ka sana dakal pang birthday yung dasan mo. More blessings to come and good health.
Happy birthday and we love you.
Bye-bye!
Happy birthday day! Sana dakal pang birthday ang dasan mo. God bless, more blessing. Take care.
Happy birthday, Tita Day. Happy golden birthday. Take care kayo always, Ken. And God bless you.
Happy birthday, tita.
Love you!
Hello, Tita Day. Happy birthday po. More birthdays to come.
Ay, tita Day. Happy birthday po. Ingat po kayo palagi.
Bye-bye po. Enjoy.
Sabay-sabay tayo mag-hi.
Hello, everyone.
Hi! Happy birthday!
Happy 50th birthday, Dar. Wishing you the best, more and more birthdays to come.
Happy 50th birthday, Dar. Ingat lagi, Ken.
Hello, happy birthday, Daisy. God bless you.
Hello! Kamusta ako, Ma'am Ken? Especially sa ating birthday celebrant, Sister Balugs. You are 50 golden birthdays. Sana wish ko kaya good health and God bless all. Kaya kayo man Ken, sana maging masaya kayo at lalo-lalo na sa iyong kaarawan. Yun lang ang masasabi ko kasama ng buong pamilya. Sana ang pagkakaisa at pagmamahal sa ating lahat at sa kapwa nating kababayan dyan. Muli, pinabati ka namin ng masayang
Happy birthday
to you.
Bye!
50th birthday day.
Happy 50th birthday, tita Day.
Day, sana ang gusto namin sa iyo, sana maging malusog ang iyong pangangatawan, pahabain pa ang buhay mo ng Panginoon, at lalong-lalo na sa iyong pamilya, sana palagi kayong ginagabayan ng Diyos, at sana sa mga pangarap mo sa buhay, lalong-lalo na sa mga anak mo ay matupad. Kaya kami bilang iyong kapatid at mga iyong ate, yung pamangkin ay maligaya kaming bumabati sa iyo ng happy birthday.
Hi Ninang, happy 50th birthday.
My wish for you is that may God will give you another 50 years to celebrate, and I hope you stay positive and healthy, and I hope we'll see you very soon, and enjoy your day, and may God bless you always. Bye bye. Ingat.
Hi Day! Happy birthday! Wishing you a field of joy and blessing. Happy birthday! Happy birthday Day! Wish you good health. Tumuloy ka ng family mo. More blessings to come and enjoy your day.
Hi Day! Happy birthday! Wish you all the best. Sana may usapang senior. Matuwata na talaga. 15 na kayo. Kami natutuilor na kanyan. Happy birthday ulit!
Happy birthday, best friend! From start the new decade!
Day, kamusta ko ang kin and happy birthday. Many birthday Atak pepatak man ng gegen birthday. Salamat kayo ni. Thank you very much.